In this video, I'll share with you a few Xiaomi devices and products that can help you on a daily basis with the help of the website called Hekka, an online shopping platform for all Xiaomi related products, kitchen appliances, home improvement, you name it, under one roof. Now in this video, I chose the product from Hekka website. Hekka has no influence in the script to the final edit of this video. Let's go into the first product. First up is the Xiaomi Redmi Buds 3 Lite. It's a true wireless earbuds aimed towards casual and sports person because it has IP54 dust and water resistant. It comes in two colorways, white or black, which I think black would be amazing because of this glossy mirror finish on the earbuds itself. Each earbud weighs 4.2 grams, whereas the entire package right here just weighs under 36 grams. It uses Bluetooth 5.2 for connectivity and it has rated 5 hours of playback when the pair of earbuds is used together and additional 18 hours coming from the charging case itself, which is just super compact and is only 1/4 of a typical smartphone size. Second is the Xiaomi electric precision screwdriver that helps to fix simplest of stuff like spectacles to complicated hardware electronics. It features two torque settings so you can adjust the necessary torque to screw something that is simple that requires low settings or something that requires higher setting that requires force to screw in. For example, like PC builds, those big PC builds. Now, it features 24 bits of heads right here, 6 of which are the long pole type that can fit into narrow and thin space. Everything is magnetically attached in this tray right here, so it is managed well. You know where each of the bits are located. Each also has its own torque number, so you can have the reference to see whether it's compatible for your daily needs. Aside from that, this is so compact, you don't need complicated screwdriver kits or toolbox that is so big in size. It just comes in this aluminum shell, which is thick and solid to keep your product in good condition. All you need to do is slide it, push it, and it won't come out. Push it one more time, it comes out and it works like a magic. Next up is the Xiaomi Electric Shaver S300. Wait for it. It sounds very electrifying. This is good for busy people on a daily basis. You can place it into your bag, into your car, office drawer, right before a meeting because you forget to shave early in the morning due to a massive headache without coffee or a hangover. Now, jokes aside, it has IP7 water resistance rating, meaning you can use it with shaving cream, light soap water, or during shower time because you want to hold something to karaoke your singing passion. But you can also dry shave, though it's a little bit uncomfortable. And the good part is it's detachable. You can clean the blades and the motor area. It can last up to 60 minutes worth of shaving. If you own or drive a car, the Xiaomi Dash Cam A400 with rear camera kit is a wise choice to get today. A top product in this video I recommend getting today because it's related to security and assurance. This is a dual camera system that records your front and protect your rear wings, if you understand what I mean. The front camera records at 144p while the back camera records at 1080p in a single SD format on the front dash cam itself, where you can control the settings for both cameras front and rear and also preview the front and rear, videos and images. If you want to access in like a portable phone to show people that you're wrong or show the police on the spot, you can retrieve the footages from the phone app itself and change the settings and upgrade the firmware, which I highly recommend getting the phone app. Now, this also features loop recording, meaning if it's after 30 days or if the SD card is about to get full capacity, it will delete the old files to have space for the new files to record. Again, this is a security device I recommend getting, especially if you're in Southeast Asia country where there's a lot of drivers without driving lessons, and if you can catch them in the act, they will be in a big trouble. And plus, you can do insurance claim easily with video footages. Lastly, for content creators like me or gamers like you who is always glued in front of monitors for long hours, the Xiaomi Yeelight Monitor Light Bar Pro is a wise choice for us. This is a dual ambient light bar, meaning it has the front element that has the cool to warm temperature adjustment with from ultra brightness to low brightness adjustment, or on the back right here, RGB panels. So yeah, because why not? Just to add a little bit flair behind your boring monitor at home, maybe if you just love RGB like my background right now. Now, this light bar is magnetically attached. It has 25 degrees of adjustment, but its purpose right here is to reduce eye fatigue by reducing the contrast between the brightest of your screen and the darkest of your background in, dark room like my setup right here. So this will reduce the contrast by adding some ambient glow in front of your monitor, maybe your mouse and keyboard space, but generally the desktop area right here. So there is less eye fatigue. We have less irritation on our eyes. We can do our content creation for longer hours. You can game for longer hours without any discomfort. I recommend doing this because it not only looks good, but it makes your eyes feels better. Now, aside from that, you can control the RGB glow on the back, not the front, with some softwares, but not to complicate, I suggest using the included 2.4 gigahertz knob right here, so you can quickly adjust like the brightness of the light bar. You can also adjust the temperature, or you can change the effect on the background or just totally off it. It's that simple. My top 2 recommend to get it. So that is my top 5 products that I recommend to get on any occasion, or basically get it now today. If you're interested to purchase the products that I mentioned below, you can find it in the video description or the first pinned comment, but recommend me what other Xiaomi products that is worth mentioning in the next video. I wouldn't mind working again with Hekka to feature those products. Again, let me know as well, where do you come from, which country that you come from. I want to know where my viewers come from. Till then, I'll see you guys in the next product feature video. Ta-da!